Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own cream of mushroom soup. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 medium onion. Slice your mushrooms and dice the onion. Then, in a large pot, melt the butter over medium heat and sauté the mushrooms and onion until they are tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This forms the delicious base of our soup. Next, we'll create the roux, which is essential for thickening. Sprinkle 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over the sautéed mushrooms and onions. Stir continuously for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flour to cook and absorb the butter. This process helps eliminate any raw flour taste and ensures a smooth, creamy texture for your soup. It's a crucial step for that perfect consistency. Now, let's add the liquids. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring no lumps form. Once smooth, slowly pour in 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream for richness. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. Allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until the soup begins to thicken to your desired consistency. This step truly brings the soup to life. Finally, it's time to season and serve your delicious creation. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme to taste. Stir well and let the soup simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Your homemade cream of mushroom soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm as a comforting meal or a delightful side dish. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.